These are soldiers from Mozambique and Rwanda in the port city of Mozambique. The region in northern Mozambique's Cabo Delgado province was the last stronghold of an armed group locally known as Al-Shabaab. The fighters had used it to launch attacks across the province since 2017. More than 2,000 people have been killed and hundreds of thousands displaced. The soldiers here are upbeat. Their commanders say it will now take less than a month to complete the offensive in the entire province.
The enemy harbor was this Mozambique. And as you have seen along the way, most of the enemy were killed along the way. So others have disappeared in the forest. We are now planning to pursue those few enemy pockets along our axis.
Mozambique has been struggling to fight against the armed group, which is believed to have ties with ISIL. The town of Palma, 80 kilometers away, is the scene of the most recent major attack. Fighters laid siege for days in March, killing several people and causing many to flee from their homes. It was one of several attacks that was planned from Mozambique, so the town falling back into the hands of government forces is a strategic victory. Rwanda deployed its troops in July to help Mozambique's national army.
The enemy was estimated to be between 2,000 and 3,000. But it was deployed in small groups. Concerning the importance of the ground, it is very important because it is the headquarters of the terrorists.
Many people are still afraid to go home and continue to live rough in camps for the displaced.
We did not cause the conflict. We are suffering losses without knowing the cause. We are just ordinary citizens.
Mozambicans in this region, rich in oil, gas and other minerals, say they want peace. They want to rebuild their towns, and they hope the troops will keep them safe enough to go back home. Catherine Soy, Al Jazeera.